What's happening, captains? Ski season is upon us, and you're probably gonna need some eye protection. Actually, you definitely need some eye protection. Do not go on a mountain, whether you're just hanging out or if you're skiing or snowmobiling or whatever, without something over your eyes, whether it's goggles or sunglasses of some type, because the light reflecting off the snow will destroy your eyes and your skin. Wear sunscreen, all that kind of stuff. Anyway, let's talk about some of my favorite pieces of eye gear for winter. Now, if you're skiing or snowboarding, you can always go with a nice pair of goggles. They're great, they're big, they're chunky, but sometimes you don't want that much, right? Like, you just want to have something that you can wear on the slopes or off the slopes. And that's where these sunglasses from Vuarnet really come in handy. These are the Vuarnet Ice sunglasses. And these particular ones are the collab that they did with Faction Skis. You can see the little Faction Skis logo on the side here. But what make these things really great for skiing and stuff is obviously you want to combine it with a pair of like glasses straps so they don't fly off your head. But when you put them on, you have this little piece over the side that keeps glare and bits of snow and all that kind of stuff from coming in. So they really do function more like goggles than they do normal sunglasses. But what's great is, you know, if you get done skiing, snowboarding, whatever you're doing, or even just, you know, mountaineering, hiking in the snow, these things are removable, so you can just wear them as normal sunglasses too. Now, if you've never heard of Vuarnet before, they make some truly incredible sunglasses. They use mineral glass and they really go into the construction of like how the coatings and the actual glass affect what you're doing. And these particular shades are designed in their Skylink style, which is like a yellow tint that softens the whites, but also bumps up contrast so you can see better in those sort of low contrast environments. It's tailor-made for snowy and even like dawn dusk situations where contrast isn't quite as good as it should be. But if you don't want regular goggles, these are fantastic to use in your day-to-day life or when you're hitting the slopes. But yeah, so check out the Vuarnet Ices for a nice, good quality pair of winter glasses.